Hi guys, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me today. It's a pleasure. And as always, I have something very nice and very beautiful to share with you. So, what are we waiting for? Come, let's go. So, let's start. This is my first DD pack from Craft Angles and I'm super excited to share this with you. So, let's begin. And let me one by one take out all the supplies. These are some gorgeous, cute little napkins. So as you all know, I am their decoupage DT. So of course, the stuff that I have been sent is all related to decoupage. So yes, these are all chalk paints and I'm loving the colors. These are just my kind of colors. You know, I am a very, very colorful person and this is, and yes, you can see I have a little bit of OCD. I like to kind of, you know, arrange my things really nice and sweet. Yes, and let me tell you one more thing. I am super conjuice when it comes to using my supplies because I just love to keep them with me. This is acrylic soft gel. Amazing, really nice. I mean, lovely. I'm just waiting to work. And this is antique wax. It is antique art wax. Nice. And these are two big jars. So this is white, of course, which we need a lot. And I really like this French rose color as well. So these are great. Let me put this here for some time where you can see them. Yes, now you can see them. All right. Now this is the decoupage stuff. Of course, this is their decoupage glue. And this, ta-da, is the new release. So this is decoupage varnish gloss and this is liquid glaze. Let me tell you, I'm super excited about this because I was actually looking for an alternative. So I'm sure this is going to be great. And glaze, I would work on this and then of course, we'll show you, you know, what are the results with this. So as of now, I'm not going to disclose what is in my mind with this glaze, but I'm super excited about this product as well. And then I have some MDF bases. I have a small tray MDF and I like the quality actually. You know, it feels really nice. I like the softness. I don't think we really need to sand it well, so that this is a good thing here. You know, otherwise you generally have rough edges and you need to sand it. And these are 4 posters each. One is 5 mm in thickness and the other is 2 mm in thickness. So we'll work on these and of course show you what have I made with this later. Of course you'll have to wait. And then I have like big loads of papers. Look at these gorgeous papers. Yes, just give me a minute. Let me put this box aside now and let me make place for my papers. So let's put this here and let's put this here. Yes, so super. You can see everything and everything is arranged really well. Once again, I can explain. These are all the chalky paints. This is again chalky paint and these are mixed media essentials. One is an acrylic soft gel and the other one is art wax. And this is an antique brown color, which is perfect because that's what we all need. And so this is it. And now let's open these papers because I'm super excited to show you what are these papers. Now this is Bold Botanicals. And as you can see, you have this paper here which gives you all the 3 different colors. Still, I'm going to open each and every pack and show you each and every paper separately. All right. And of course, I'm going to keep this aside and later I'm going to assemble them. Look at this. I like this olive green color. This is really nice. And the yellows and the blues. Amazing, really nice. You know, see, I like the variety where Botanicals is not only and only about green. You know, I like how they have actually spread out and just such beautiful bold colors. Really nice. Can't wait to start working on these. Now, let's come to everyday places. Very nice. Now, these are all A4 size sheets, okay? So, which is a very good size. And I like the paper. Let me tell you, the paper is very nice and thin and the print is very nice and crisp. It's not at all dull. That is something which I really like about these. And I think these are fabulous. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? I think they're pretty gorgeous. Really, very nice. Very well designed. I mean, the designer has really done a very good job. Now, next we come to the floral elegance. Again, as you can see, on top of every pack, you have a guide which tells you what sort of papers are inside. So it's very easy for you to kind of understand what is inside. But of course, I want to show you each and every paper separately. That's why I'm opening up each and every pack for you. Now this is nice, pink, blue, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of brown, a little bit of here, and a little bit of there. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Now, what I really like about these papers over here is the empty space in between, you know. As a decoupage artist, and you know, decoupage and mixed media go hand in hand. So sometimes you really need that space to kind of create your own elements and, you know, put in your own creativity around. So this is just the perfect layout for that. So this is great. Okay, so now let's come to some, oh, maybe masculines I can come to later. Let me put this, I have two masculines, right? Okay, here I'm going to first use these. This one maybe again later, yes. Yep. Yep. This is nice. This is nice. This is very, very English, very vintage, very nice. So look at this. Brilliant. Brilliant. I mean, I'm speechless. These are such fabulous prints. And I already have so many ideas in my mind, and this is the watercolor effect, and this is watercolor spring. So where do I open this from? I like the packaging. They have been packed really, really well. You know, what I'm liking is that the packet is so nice that there's no bend, nothing. The entire paper is there for me. Again, you can see it very well. The crispness. Can you see the crispness of the print? It's amazing. And the paper is so thin, it is going to be very easy to use this in decoupage, you know. So, it's very, very nice. The next one we have is Everyday Places. And as you can see, it has a lot of color in it, you know. See? Brilliant colors. And another thing which I'm really liking about all these designs and prints is that not everything is vertical, you know. Some are vertical and some are in landscape. This, of course, everything is vertical, but in the previous, you know, packs, we have seen that things are in landscape as well. Gives us a lot of dimension and a lot of ideas and a lot of flexibility in using them in various, you know, shapes and designs and how to use it. Now, this is all masculine, and I'm so happy to see something masculine coming up, because yes, it's always a challenge to make products, gifts for men, you know, but this is so ideal. This is just so ideal. Really, very nice. Very, very nice. This is another one which says Gentleman One. Oh, did I give you the name of the previous one? I'm so sorry, I did not. These are Glory Days, the one we had just opened. And this one is Gentleman One. So I'm sure there's a Gentleman Two also coming. Okay, now look at this one. Nice and grace. Now see, this is all landscape. As I was telling you, not everything is vertical, you know. So this is horizontal, and I think again very nice. I like this car effect. I like this old world charm. Brilliant. Do you already have ideas what you're going to do with these papers? Oh my God, I have so many ideas. So many ideas. This is Vintage Journal 1. And as you can see, oh my god, this is amazing. Can you see these papers? I mean, how beautifully they have been designed. Now look at these papers. You know, where I had shown you the other paper previously and I had said that, you know, it is nice and empty in between. Look at this. This is so beautifully done that you actually, all you have to do is decoupage it and that's all. There is no stamping or stenciling or nothing required. This is complete in itself. You know, look at all this. Wow. Like, you know, generally this would be a stamped thing, you know, generally all these would be stamped. I mean, but look at this. I mean, the composition is so beautiful, so nice that it is a complete paper in itself. Complete design. All you have to do is stick it, seal it, and finish it. It's so easy. All right, and this is Winter Wonderland, and both of them are same. So this is 12 by 12 and this is A4 size, and since I've opened many A4 sizes, maybe here I would like to open and show you the 12 by 12. The designs are same. So nice and wintry blue. Oh wow, how many of you have actually seen a snowfall? You know, I have, and it is gorgeous. Wow, these are amazing, very nice. Very, very nice. And the last but not the least, I have Eternal Love. And it says, when I saw you, I fell in love. And you smiled because you knew, oh my god, this is so cute. This is so nice. I feel I can fall in love all over again. Yes, this is a fantabulous paper. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. How profound. Oh my god. Someone really romantic, huh? Love is but the discovery of ourselves in others and the delight in the recognition. Love looks not with the eyes but with the mind. Oh my god, I am so in love with this. Yes, this is Eternal Love and this is a must buy, at least from my side. I can tell you, since I am a hopeless romantic person, yes, this is a must buy. So these were all the papers that I had shown you. So thank you so much guys, and stay tuned and subscribe, follow, like, press the bell icon, do everything, but do not miss our posts. Okay, all the best. Bye. See ya.